here? So, am I alone here or?
You're the only one.
Oh. 필리핀 현지에서도 이렇게 아집을 부리며 다니고 있습니다. 택시 탈 수 있는데 운동하고 싶잖아 이렇게 가면. 네, 이러고 인사도 할 수 있고. 하이. 역시 또 이런 짐을 메고 이 35도가 육박하는 이 더위에서 이렇게 걸어가는 미친 짓을 또 하고 있습니다. 여기는 버스 이런 게 되게 발전이 안 되고 저런 트라이사이클이나 이런 트라이사이클이나 저 지프를 개조해서 만든 저 지프리 이런 것들을 좀 많이 다닌다고요. 저걸 탈 수도 있었지만 좀 더 와서 버스를 타보려고. Yeah, bye bye. Thank you so much, lady. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. 현실의 도움을 얻어서 탔네요. 아. Das? Das?
Nasa itaas. Itaas.
Das is better.
Okay then.
I'm a budget traveler and I only make small money through my YouTube, so cheaper is better. So if you can make discount, thank you so much. 이래서 필리핀에 왔습니다. 좀 세보고요. 딱 봐도 여기는 빈부격차가 엄청나네요. 여기 있는 가게들은 다 이렇고 저 앞에는 큰 호텔들이 있는데. Can you show me your cab 1 second, please? Because proud of our country. These are our country things.
This is all your first time here.
Yep.
That's nice.
And I hope you will enjoy it tonight.
Yeah, and we know that you're going to enjoy tonight. And also, like, Mud Monkey is a like experience hostel.
Hello. How are you doing? Yeah, what happened to your face by the way? Why did you put it up?
What?
When you sent me the picture, there is something white, so white. Yeah, nice weather and nice people, huh? Yeah? Oh, I wanted to ask you something. Maybe don't regard this rude question because I don't really know about this thing. I really wanted to know. You know, in the bus in front of me, there was a woman, the tall woman, right? She is not really woman, right? She's transgender, right? I can say.
Yeah.
Okay. Any reason why there are so many transgenders here, do you think?
You know what? You know, when they, it depends, you know, when the inheritance or when they got born, their mother likes to wear them a girl clothes, yeah.
Decided by
So that's
mother?
maybe, yeah.
Okay.
Or sometimes also maybe played with sisters like that.
Yeah.
So
But-
influence, but mostly it's just influence with the friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
아, 네, 에어컨이 없는 게 건강이 좋은데, 와우.
You're so soju.
Buffalo brands look perfect.
You mentioned that we will go to Doribang.
Ah, yeah.
We'll just go there.
Then might as well.
Now?
It's up to you. What?
Can we go? Really?
Buffalo brands.
Let's go.
For all BPO. Oh, I have ID. So you can watch movies.
Hi. You guys have a ferry ticket to Bohol? Okay. So do you guys have a ticket today?
Ticket?
Yeah.
Other side? Right side.
Right side?
Near the gate, right side.
아마 여기 말하는 것 같아요. 여기 오른쪽에. 여기서 페리 티켓을 타지 않을까? 아니, 전화 하나 들 법한데 전화를 안 넣어가지고 직접 와서 알아봐야 된다고. 하지만 온라인은 오늘이 없기 때문에, 그래서 오늘 당장 떠나고 싶기 때문에 지금.
Passport and COVID-19 vaccination card. Get ready.
Ah, to get the ticket, I have to show them.
It's only a 3,000.
In Bohol?
In Bohol. Yes. This is a tourist spot of Bohol.
Okay, I'll think about it. But after ticket first. Cool.
800.
800. 이걸로 되네요. 다행이다.
2,800.
2008, 2008. This is for two people.
No, only one person.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a phone number? Business card or something?
Yeah, but give me money.
Yeah.
After
Oh,
that.
okay, but I can do that, but not today. This is okay. 그래. 할까 말까 할 때는 가야 돼. 뭐 꼭 좋은 일이 생길 거라고 장담은 못 하겠지만 오늘 안에 라면을 팔지 모르겠네. It's okay, I can walk. 안에 사람이 두 명이나 있는데 한쪽을 하면 있는 걸까요? 대체? 떨어졌으면 내가 주워줘야지. 엄마. 이거 떨어뜨리고 제가 올려야지. 가만 두고 있어. 분명히 필요한 이유가 뭘까? As if you went there by yourself and then you just got an offer from the driver and then how much is property to think?
I'm not really sure with that.
It's okay. But still you know better than me, so.
Let me ask someone
You
then.
don't have to ask, just guess please. If some driver says 200 then that is not really bad deal. Yeah. Actually my hotel
But it's
told
not
me.
really far.
Yeah. Well, my hotel told me that he can send me some driver, but he says like 900 peso. So, okay. Sikihor.
I guess it's far from here, Sikihor.
저 배를 타러 가고 있습니다. 네, 이렇게 지역과 지역 간에만 잠깐 왔다 갔다 할 때는 이런 포지션으로 다니는데, 네. 이 조지아 친구가 줬던 밥을 어서 잘 얻어가지고 잘 쓰고 다니고 있네요. 여기 선거 포스터인가 봐요. 라마, 마이크 라마, 기호 4번. 여기는 훼손하면 벌금 내는 거 같은 거 없나? 겁나 훼손돼 있는데. 그래도 이제 상대적으로 덜 위험하다고 해서 깝치면 안 돼요. 깝쳤다가 또 이렇게 아무리 안전한 곳이라도 한 번 당하면 안전한 게 아닌 게 때문에 아이씨 횡단보도로 가자.
Tickets are just 50 pesos each.
Yeah.
50 pesos each. You
Why?
need to pay for insurance.
I told you I have insurance.
You have insurance?
Yeah.
It's okay.
So I got 2 insurance from South Korea. So I don't have to do that, right? Yeah.
You have so many options.
I told you.
So many.
I told you. 얘기했잖아 내가. 저 까딱하면 그냥 돈 내고 했을 것 같아요. 그래서 모르겠다. 아씨 보험 막 50이니까 사실 있으면 좋긴 좋은데 받는 것도 복잡하고 그럴 거야. 내가 인터넷으로 티켓을 드리고 보홀 땡큐 터미널 피 티켓 오케이. 저거는 먹으면 안 되는 거고 이렇게 현지 음식도 좀 파는 게 있는데 크림 파스타인가? 하이 크림 파스타였으면 진짜 먹을 뻔했다. 사람이 더럽게 많네요. 클라스 찍을 데가 없네. 잘?
Luggage.
라그지는 또 별도예요. 뭐 한 건지 모르겠어요. 돈 받지도 않고 이상한 거 했는데 시넘버 26C. 야, 이제 평차점 밑에부터 벌써 고기들 많은 거 봐요. 와우. It's okay, I can just take that one. Tricycle. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
400 pesos.
That one?
Yeah.
Then 300?
Yeah.
Okay, then my 잠깐만 이거 탈라 그랬는데 이게 400이라고 물어보고 싶긴 하다. 아이. 근데 이거를 300이면 괜찮은 것 같아요. 도착했고 잘 왔네요. 그래도 이런 느낌인데 역시나 근한적한 하이. 앞서는 It's so quiet, huh? Okay, so am I the only one?
No, apparently not.
Okay.
Yeah, actually just going out. Are you Korean?
Yeah.
안녕하세요.
Hey, 안녕하세요. Do I look like Korean?
Yeah, you kind of look like
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was about to ask if you were Japanese.
Oh, really?
But I recognize your eyes.
You know what? I just went to India. I just came from India, and everybody thought that I'm Indian too. So I don't know what to do here. This is the reason why I got here. Okay, thank you.
That's your bed, sir.
Okay. So,
Lower one.
am I alone here or?
No, you are four. Five.
There are 5 people here.
Yes.
Okay, all men, right?
No, girls.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
You're
okay.
the only one man.
Oh. Hey guys, where you from?
Sweden.
Sweden. Wow, nice. I'm from South Korea.
Are you a roommate?
I think so.
Then you're a roomie.
Yeah, I think so. You guys are on the vacation?
And we're backpacking.
Backpacking. Thank you. Yeah.
What do you say? 18 days now? 18 days.
18 days?
So
Only-
in Philippines we are 1 month. And then
Ah.
we're going to Thailand.
Actually, like after this trip, I never had South Korea on my list, but since this trip, like, and people say like, oh my God, South Korea is open, South Korea is finally open,
Yeah.
and everyone is so excited, and they're like, oh, I've already been, so now it's actually on my list, but I don't really know what to do there, but it seems like a place everyone wants to go, so I want to go too.
Outpost?
Hostel ever.
Yes, it's a very good hostel. But then it's like a lot of international people.
Oh, really?
And everyone is so welcoming, so open. Everyone, talks and shares so much with you. And like the staff is so friendly and so helpful. In El Nido, we were in El Nido.
El Nido is the name of the province, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we know about it. We don't know much about it.
Okay, yeah.
Everybody knows North Korea.
Yeah,
more than
yeah. He's world famous.
Yeah, that's the way it is.
Yeah.
Okay, to be honest, except it's from location and how the flag looks like, and then a little bit of like your costume. Well, we've seen a lot of Korean drama, like TV shows. It's Squid Games, so it's also South Korean, right?
Yeah.
It was at Outpost. Everyone was so excited because South Korea finally opened. We have a very big problem. Well, the entire world has this problem, but with the electricity, like the electricity prices nowadays, it has gone up almost 200%.
2 times more expensive then.
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
Inshallah.
so like
Inshallah.
a lot of
I think I should try that one.
Yes, you must. That's
Are you sure? You're ready to eat the duck? Live duck? Alright!
hardcore.
Yeah.
Plane to Puerto Princesa instead of to El Nido because the El Nido plane ticket was 3 times the price than to Puerto Princesa. And then the van, it's 5 hours, but it was very cheap.
Yeah, it's around 200.
Yeah, something like that.
The hostel you landed is right next to that airport, right?
Yes, it is. So the tricycle, we only took the tricycle from the